Hi everyone, and welcome back to Gear and Grips. Today, we're diving into a legend, one of the most iconic names in performance cars, a machine that has dominated tracks and streets alike. Yes, we're talking about the 2026 Nissan GT-R. This beast has been pushing the limits of performance since its debut, and the latest model takes things to an entirely new level. Whether you're a die-hard GT-R fan or just love high-performance cars, this one is worth your attention. So, buckle up as we explore everything the 2026 Nissan GT-R has to offer, from power to design, cutting-edge tech, and of course, its price. First things first, let's talk about the heart of the GT-R, the engine. For 2026, Nissan has fine-tuned the legendary twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V6, squeezing out even more power than before. This beast now delivers an astonishing 620 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful GT-R ever to roll off the production line. The upgraded turbos, revised cooling system, and advanced aerodynamics allow for better heat management, ensuring peak performance even under extreme driving conditions. Paired with this monstrous engine is Nissan's updated dual-clutch 6-speed transmission. The shifts are quicker, smoother, and more precise, making the GT-R feel even more responsive than before. And, of course, it features Nissan's legendary Atessa ETS all-wheel drive system, giving you unmatched grip and control, whether you're tearing up the track or carving through mountain roads. The 2026 GT-R can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds, putting it right in supercar territory. Now, let's talk about the exterior design. While the GT-R has always had an aggressive stance, the 2026 model takes it even further. The front fascia has been redesigned with larger air intakes for improved cooling, a new lightweight carbon fiber hood, and sharper LED headlights that give it an even meaner look. The aerodynamic enhancements continue with a redesigned rear wing, a new rear diffuser, and improved airflow under the body to maximize downforce while reducing drag. Every inch of this car screams performance. Moving to the wheels, Nissan has equipped the new GT-R with ultra-lightweight forged aluminum wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. These not only reduce weight but also improve handling, ensuring you stay planted even at high speeds. The braking system has also been upgraded, featuring massive carbon ceramic rotors and 6-piston calipers up front, giving you the stopping power you need when pushing this beast to its limits. Step inside, and you'll find a cockpit designed for both performance and comfort. Nissan has refined the GT-R's interior with a mix of luxury and race-inspired elements. The seats are wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, providing the perfect balance of comfort and support during aggressive driving. The dashboard features a new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with customizable displays, so you can keep track of your speed, boost pressure, and lap times with ease. The infotainment system has also been upgraded, featuring a larger touchscreen with improved connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an enhanced Bose sound system. But let's be honest, when you're driving a GT-R, the best sound system is the one under the hood. That twin-turbo V6 produces an intoxicating growl that will send shivers down your spine every time you step on the gas. Nissan has also packed the 2026 GT-R with cutting-edge driver assistance features. While this car is built for high-performance driving, it still offers adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and even a semi-autonomous driving mode for when you just want to cruise. However, let's be real, no GT-R owner buys this car for self-driving features. Now, let's get to the part you've all been waiting for, the price. The 2026 Nissan GT-R starts at around $140,000 for the base model, with the Nismo variant pushing well over $200,000. Yes, it's a hefty price tag, but when you consider what this car offers, supercar performance, advanced technology, and legendary heritage, it's worth every penny. So, who is this car for? If you're someone who craves speed, precision, and an adrenaline rush every time you hit the gas pedal, the 2026 GT-R is calling your name. It's a car that demands to be driven, one that rewards skill and precision with every turn of the wheel. Whether you're a seasoned track enthusiast or just want one of the fastest, most iconic sports cars ever built, the GT-R delivers. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Nissan GT-R. What do you think about this latest evolution of the Godzilla? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let me know, would you take this over its European rivals, or is there another car that steals your heart? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Gear and Grips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.